What's good, YouTube? Over there in the back, that's my brother Johnny.
Yep. Happy 4th of July.
Yeah, happy 4th of July, everyone.
It might not be posted on the...
Yeah, it's not going to be posted on 4th of July. You guys are going to see it within the next couple days. I'm not sure when, but you guys already read by the title. Today, as I return 2 months, 3 months, I come back with a prank. We finna do that. I'm basically gonna like vlog. So, cause I told Kenneth another story, like, you know, let's do a video, let's do like a mukbang. We're gonna do something like that. I don't know, I'm gonna try and make it up, but in reality, I'm gonna be pranking Kenneth at the same time. So we're just gonna talk about random things, but at the same time, we're gonna have people honking at him. So I can't wait for that. I'm excited for it. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, you know. So I think now is the perfect time to do that. Am I right, Johnny?
Yes, sir.
Right? But
good prank.
Yeah.
He's gonna be confused, maybe. Like, why are they honking?
Yeah, I'm really curious on how Ken's gonna act, cause I don't know. Last time I seen someone honk at him, like I don't know, like he was just cool about it, you know. But he's gonna have more people honk at him, so I'm really curious how he's gonna act towards this. So yeah, Angel does know right now. Currently, he's working on the poster. Angel's here in town. Me and Angel thought of this prank to do on him, you know. It's been months that we made a video, as y'all can see, and we just been busy. So legit, like, Kenneth's schedule, my schedule was just so different. He would work during the weekends and plus school, college, and all that. So yeah, I don't want y'all to think that I just quit or, like, you know, randomly, you know. Johnny, is there anything you want to say?
This is gonna be a good prank, and that's it.
Yeah, he's gonna be somewhere else. He's gonna be swimming. Am I right, Johnny?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's gonna be doing that, and then later we're finna throw a party, but
Popping fireworks.
yeah, we finna do all that.
Like last
So
year.
they're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna be pranking someone. I got a mission to do. Yeah, I'm freaking sweating some bacon grease right now. But yeah. So let's get on with this video, right?
Yup.
Let's get it.
Alright.
Late.
What's this?
Nothing. All right, bro. Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's already recording.
Damn. I haven't been on
You
this.
have to look at yourself.
Hey man, I haven't seen myself in a video in a fat ass minute. How you guys been? I've been gone for like.
Hey, that's the AC in the background, bro.
It is the AC in the background if you hear that. But damn, it's been a while since I've been here, boys. How you guys been? I don't know. Do you guys miss me? It's been very long. If you guys see this, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. We're doing a video. You guys are gonna see a little bit. I hope we get the reaction. But if you miss me, comment something dumb. I miss talking to you guys and all that shit. I don't know if you guys miss me though, but it's like, you feel me? Dude, but damn, this is sexy. This nigga upgraded from last time.
Like towards the end, you know how like basically.
I don't know. Let's see. I don't know when he's gonna post this, but if he posts this like in 2 days, I have some questions. I'll answer them myself personally.
That's sort of like
And I might create a YouTube channel, maybe if I feel like it. I'm gonna show my life, how I do things over there. You guys can see me wrestle. I wrestle now. I do football too. But yeah, I'll give the camera back to this guy. There you go.
Definitely.
Why are they honking at you, bro? I think he killed his bike. Or like, he freaking did it out. I don't know, bro. That was random. It's alright.
Well, they're going slow.
Huh?
I got 3 points.
That was weird. I think you're driving slow, bro. I don't know.
For real, nigga.
Wait, was that the motorcycle that honked at you or the?
No, there's a car behind him.
Oh, the car behind him?
Yeah. Right over that one right there. No, it was the motorcycle.
No.
What was it? Yeah, it was. What was it, nigga?
I feel like it was the motorcycle, bro.
Probably.
Cause he did stay behind.
Yeah.
He says, "Yeah, I know."
It looks like he killed it.
You think he doesn't know how to ride a bike, or?
No, he just probably killed it. So that's all.
He doesn't want
to be open, dude.
All right, boys, we're back in now, boys. We gotta drop off someone quick. Yeah. There you go. Man, bro, why they honking at you, bro?
You know, that's the fast lane, so
Huh?
they can always pass.
Bro, why are they honking at you, though, bro?
I don't know. You're supposed to go on the lane. You have to pull it over.
Huh?
Just get pulled over.
Should she get pulled over? That was weird. Hey, bro, let's not worry about that,
She's
right?
breaking the law.
Let's not worry about that.
She's breaking the
Okay,
law.
It's going to 40 and they're 50.
Look, let's not worry about that. You
Not
know, it's
50,
4th of
it's
July.
50.
It's 4th of July. We finna go eat, and then later we finna party. Alright? Alright?
I'm down with that.
Party?
Yeah, bro.
Party, get some peaches.
You know, it's alright. You know, like 4th of July, you know. You know, what if she was just in a bad mood, or she wanted to honk at something?
That's dumb. She's from New Mexico.
Huh?
Dead over there.
What we finna eat, boys? What's up? What's on the menu?
With everything and anything.
With everything and everything. So, like, does that include avocado?
Fuck avocado. Nothing but avocado. We don't eat that shit here. That shit is nasty.
Alright, but.
I'm so glad that video never came out. That last footage, dude,
I feel you.
that's lost. I'm never eating a whole avocado, dude. I would throw up.
I feel you, bro. You hear that? What about you, Ken? What you gotta say, bro? Bro, you look triggered, bro. Why? What's up?
I'm not triggered. That's
Why you're not saying
I
that?
don't know what we need.
I feel like those people baller you, bro. Those two people.
What?
Those two people baller you.
Well, two people.
The ones that honked at you.
No. No, you broke the law, so
That's fine.
I was pulled over.
Yo, Angel, you're a little quiet over there too in the back, bro.
Nigga, I'm just like, it's been a while, dude.
Let me guess, bro. You triggered too because those two cars or what?
Yeah, fuck those niggas on 4K train, nigga. Nah, but give me this. Give me this. Man, I'm a sexy ass nigga. Look at me right here. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out, kids. Look at this. So, we have a video. The video is, I don't know. I don't really know the details of it. We're gonna get food. We might record a little later when it's the, well, of course, guys. It's the 4th of July today. If this doesn't come out today. So, our first thing, we're gonna get food for today because we were supposed to go to another place, but we didn't go. So we're gonna get food now, and then later we might record a little bit of what we're gonna do for the 4th of July and all that. So yeah, right now we're deciding, like always, what to get, but if I'm being honest with you, Ken has been a virgin. But I came back to town. I don't want no ghetto ass shit. I want some shit that I don't get over here. So yeah.
Just focus.
Guys, Ken decided to pull over to the side and enjoy some ice cream.
Yep.
Yeah, not like they already started eating.
I don't do this, but Ken just said. So.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I just feel like Ken is mad because of the cars, you feel me?
Cars?
Yeah, he's got honked at 3 times already.
Bro, I'm just abiding by the law.
Told you drive slow.
It's speed limit.
Hey, faggot.
Freaking idiot.
It was 50 on the highway. You're going 40.
It was 45 at first. And then it went to 50. And then it went to 45. And then it went 35. Alright.
And then Ken goes to 25.
Good.
And then it goes 5 miles per hour.
This guy goes 30 on a 40 and goes on a 25 on a 30 or a 35.
Thoughts don't need you. I'll just pass him. Very much. Nice with that one.
And then Ken will go 60 on a 75.
No
I
cap.
wouldn't do that.
Hmm?
I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, you, bro.
No, I don't.
Sure.
About Denver, huh?
That's what we're talking about.
I don't do that.
Huh?
I don't do that.
This thing was going 90 in Denver.
No, it wasn't, dude. I didn't break a law.
I haven't had this in a long time, bro.
I don't know why.
You didn't fucking see.
Boys, we got a big problem. Ken just parked somewhere right now, and I feel like he's gonna see it. There's not that much cars are being lame right now. They're not even honking or nothing. So there's like a slight chance, a big old slight chance. When Ken comes back, he's gonna see it, and I hope he does not. Because if he does, then it ends.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
That's why I told him. I was like, "Why'd you park this far? Because the door's just right there." You know.
Mm-hmm.
I hope he does not see it.
When you're fucked, boys.
I really hope he does not. He's gonna see it, bro.
He's gonna see
Hey,
it.
just try to distract him, bro. Like, come outside over here or something.
Nigga.
You gotta like distract him, bro. Or something. It's not over here, so like,
Alright, boys, I'm on a mission.
you just stand right there, just makes it obvious, bro. Guys, bro, show location on.
Fuck it.
Huh?
Oh shit. He found it.
What the fuck is that?
This nigga seen it, bro.
Come over, boys.
Huh?
We're out of here.
Your turn has been on there? Bro, what if that pig can pull up and hit a car?
Nigga, I made
Wouldn't
sure.
have, it's fine.
Alright, boys.
Who wrote that?
Fuck you, bitch. RIP to this. RIP to this poster. Fuck you.
What is it? Yeah, I can't read. I can't read this freaking ugly handwriting.
Hey, what you think though?
I don't know. I'm confused. I'm like, what the
You
heck?
basically got pranked, bro. Basically to get your reaction if you get mad type shit. And you kind of did. The way you were saying
I was
it.
like, what's with this?
I didn't know. No, okay, to be honest, I didn't know where Angel put. Like, low-key though. Angel's the one, like, fucking did everything.
You should have wrote better.
Fuck you.
What was your reaction towards that?
I was confused. I'm like, what is that green thing? I was like, why don't you just stand
See,
outside?
I
green?
told you, bro.
Like, do you have to pour the picking?
Bro, I know he messed it up. I knew, because when I went to go throw it away, I seen it. Like, I seen it clearly.
Well, it's fucking yellow.
I told him, like, to come fucking stand over here. And then it made sense why I told you, why'd you park all over here? Because I knew you were going to see it. Oh, there goes that short video.
Damn, boys.
did it say
Boy, what we got.
What the?
I said honk if you're drunk. If you're gonna get drunk tonight.
Yeah, but it said horny.
No, it didn't.
It said something about horny.
It says honk, you dickhead.
Dude, look like you said horny.
Might as well just finish the video here, bro.
Yeah, I got.
No, I guess that's the end of that fucking.
We're gonna end it in the car, my nigga. Might as well we're out here, right?
No, we're not gonna. Well, that's the end of that segment, I guess.